the Monogram Mompreneur. Welcome back to my channel if you're new here. In today's video, I'm just continuing from my live. I was working on some last minute teacher gifts, so I'm monogramming some bags. So in my live earlier, I got this one done. Isn't it gorgeous? This is using Curlz font from Embroidery. I'll link it below. It's my favorite monogram font. Okay, so that looks gorgeous. Now I'm going to do this ultimate taupe. This is from Wholesale Boutique or Viv and Lou, so wholesaleBoutique.com. I'll link that below as well. And we're gonna do a 6-inch monogram. It's called Swirl from Embroidery. And we're gonna put this in black as well. And then I'm gonna do this one. This is the Fun Leopard. It's just like that bag, except a different pattern. And I'm gonna do a 2-letter monogram on this one because I didn't know the teacher's middle name. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And then we might as well make myself a little something I got. This is one of Wholesale Boutique's new bags they got for this season. And it's a backpack purse. And y'all, look, a lot of snacks around. I have a lot of stuff. So this is gorgeous. I'm gonna do a brown monogram, or should I do black? I think I'm gonna do a brown monogram, trying to match this as best as I can and do it right here. So I think that's gonna look real good. So that's for me, and then we have the bags for the teachers. Let me know in the comments below what you make for your kids' teachers. I typically like to do like a personalized item, candy, chocolate, something sweet, and then a gift card. So let's go ahead and get it on the MELCO, and then I'm gonna put the Fun Leopard. I have it on a fast frame, and we're gonna put it on the Brother machine. So let's go ahead and get the big beach bag. This is again called the Ultimate Tote. I love these for beach bags and like Sam's Club. I have like a whole, I have so many bags. I love bags. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm just using the edge of my table, and it's a little wrinkly, so, and then their stripes are off. So we're just going to do our best. So I'm gonna use my Designs and Machine Embroidery Target stickers. I have been loving these. Typically I use a water-soluble purple marker, but when I've been loving these because you don't have to, or get the mark off. So, just gonna take my flexi ruler, and I like to measure in between the handles. So that's 8 inches, so 4 inches. Now their stripes are off, so that's gonna bother me. Usually their stuff is pretty good. I bet if I had time, I probably could send it back, but I don't have time. So, ugh, okay, look at that. You see? See what I mean? Ugh. Okay. That looks good though. So it's gonna be a 6-inch high monogram. So I actually probably need to go 6 inches. So I need to go probably about here. So let's go ahead and move that down. Let's do it right back across. So it takes up that, I don't want it to be too close to the bottom, but I do want it to probably hit that red line. So that's a good spot for it. I'm gonna be using my 8x13 Mighty Hoop. Okay, and if you do want a Mighty Hoop, call this number right here and give them the code Monogram Mom and you'll get free shipping. So let's go ahead, we got it hooped. It's gonna be as good as it gets because this is off center, so I tried to keep the stripes as good as I can. So it's nice and tight. There are no zippers. You always want to make sure when you're doing bags that you get zippers out the way. Zippers, handles, make sure there's nothing hidden, no like magnets that your machine's gonna hit. So we already have our mighty hoop we have our arms to the widest position to fit this hoop. This is one of my favorite hoops. And I'm just gonna push that down right there. Okay, I'm gonna push this up. Okay, I am gonna put a sheet of tearaway stabilizer, probably not necessary, but just in case. I'm gonna slip that under. I probably should have waited till I traced it. So we have it set up already. It's already centered, everything's good. So I'm gonna send it to the machine. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and center my hoop on the MELCO because it was stuck in the position it was before, okay? So now we have this on. Okay, that's nice and tight. So I'm gonna use my laser light. I love the laser, okay? So I'm gonna find that center point. And now I'm gonna double check on my software and make sure I'm not outside this dotted line. You can go a little outside the dotted line, but you definitely don't wanna hit your hoop. You're gonna be playing with fire. So let's go ahead and we'll do a trace. And I'm gonna see, okay, good, right at the top of the red. Okay, so sometimes you have to toggle. It's called toggle, which is the windshield wiper and the target button. Pull the sticker off. You don't want to soak through the sticker. Okay, I'm gonna make sure everything is out the way, all the arms. Okay, we're gonna go through our check. So we have the mighty hoop 13 by 8. I'm gonna go at 950 stitches per minute. Probably could go 1,000, but I'm just gonna do that. Color sequence, we're gonna go to 14, which is our black. So 14 is our black. It's threaded, it's good. And then active feed is set at 8 right now. I have it 1 click. The clicky thing's at 1 click. Apex Embroidery has the thickest, plushest monogram fonts, and this is gonna be almost 6 inches by 6 inches. So it's a huge monogram. So let's go ahead. I'm not gonna put water solving on top. There's no need. And let's go ahead and go. I got all the teacher bags done. So this one turned out so cute. This was the Market font. I just did 2 initials, and I think it looks so good. It like the almost masculine, not masculine font, but the classic font balances out the fun whimsy of the bag very well. So I love that one. And then this is, again, the Curlz Monogram font from Apex Embroidery. And this is the Swirl. And this is, I think this might be the 6-inch font. It's pretty big. Look how like thick. I didn't add any density, anything to it. That's how thick their fonts are and how great of an underlay. I mean, like phenomenal stitching. So that's that one. Thank you so much for watching today. And if you are interested in a MELCO, I will put a link right here. You can click for more information. Remember that this time of year is when you start scrounging for tax write-offs. So go ahead and click this link, talk to Ron and talk to your accountant and see if buying a machine would be good for your business and help you tax-wise. Because there's lots of benefits now, and see if it makes sense to upgrade your business. So you can click this link here, or I'll have his cell phone information down below. You can contact Ron and tell him the Monogram Mom sent you. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So would you mind subscribing? That would help me so much. And we'll see you next time. Bye.